Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making a classic lemon cobbler. I'm gonna add a little bit of frozen blueberries that I happen to have. I've thawed them out, make sure they're thawed. So let's go over this. It's a super easy recipe and it's gonna come out super good. Okay, so let's get started. So right here I have an 8x8 baking dish. I'm going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. That's 8 tablespoons. I have a 350-degree oven that's preheated. It's nice and hot. I'm going to put this in there about 5 minutes until my butter is melted. So now right here I have a bowl. I'm adding 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of regular white sugar. I'm going to give this a good mix. Now I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And this is half a teaspoon of regular salt. Now I'm going to give that a nice mix. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of just regular milk. And this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now I'm going to give this a good mix. So right here, my butter is mostly melted. At this point, I'm going to pour my flour mixture on top of the butter. And as per the instructions, you do not mix it. You don't start spooning it all over the place. Just don't mix it. Just pour it on top of the butter. Now this is a 22-ounce can of lemon pie filling. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some to the top. Put it in scoops. You can use just a regular spoon if you want. I'm using one of these cookie scoopers. You just put it all over the top. And you do not stir anything. You just put things on top of each other in this recipe. Okay, so I put it all on there. Believe it or not, when it starts to bake, the crust will rise to the top. It'll be really nice. Now this right here, these were frozen blueberries, okay? I had them out for about an hour and a half, okay? Just let them thaw and just kind of dry up the excess. So this is only a half a cup, and I'm just gonna sprinkle these all over the top. That's just an extra that I'm adding. So now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven that's nice and hot and waiting. It should take approximately anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to wait until it's completely browned on top. It forms a beautiful crust. I want that crust to be nice and golden. I'll let you know how long it takes me. So here is my lemon blueberry cobbler, and it is a work of art. It is beautiful. Now this is exactly 1 hour of cook time. The instructions are normally about 45 minutes. Everybody's oven's going to be different. I see a lot of recipes with 55 minutes of cook time. I went exactly 1 hour, and this is a beautiful golden color on the crust. So now I'm going to give it about 15 minutes to cool off just a little bit, and then we'll cut into it. Okay, let's cut into this. I'm just going to take a little bit. My goodness, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now that is very nice. Look at that. Okay, so you saw how beautiful this came out. So it's blueberry and lemon. The cobbler is usually just a lemon. I just decided to add those blueberries at the last minute. If you like lemon, lemon and blueberry always go really well together, and the crust is really, really tasty. So this is a classic lemon cobbler recipe, but with the addition of the little blueberries, it's really, really good. Okay, so classic lemon and blueberry cobbler. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.